Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth in a Mitsubishi Outlander. First, enable Bluetooth on your phone and set it to discoverable, then turn the car to accessory mode. Select the phone pairing option on the car screen and watch for a device named like your phone. Confirm the PIN on both the phone and vehicle display and allow contacts and audio access when prompted. Begin by selecting phone or Bluetooth on the Outlander screen, then tap Add Device to start discovery. On your phone, choose the vehicle name from available devices and wait for a PIN prompt. Verify the numeric code on both displays matches, then accept pairing on each device. After pairing, enable contacts and media permissions so calls and audio stream correctly, and check the connection by making a quick test call or playing music briefly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support us. Quick recommendation: grab an Owala water bottle for easy, spill-resistant hydration on the road, and it fits most car cup holders for convenient sipping while you drive. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it a small upgrade for long drives or commutes. Now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, restart both your phone and the car system and try again, which often clears transient issues. If the Outlander shows many devices, delete old entries to free slots and improve discovery reliability. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is visible and its software is current, and toggle Bluetooth off and on before retrying. Finally, attempt pairing with another phone to isolate whether the problem is the phone or the vehicle system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.